Barix, audio over IP.
Public address and paging announcements with Barix. Public address and paging are used in so many public places. Transportation hubs like train or bus stations, industrial facilities, theme parks, shopping malls. They all need to make public address or paging announcements, whether for general information such as a train arrival time, ad hoc announcements about the facility, or for live or pre-recorded emergency notifications. This video describes how sophisticated public address and paging systems can be easily created by combining the right Barix building blocks. From simply connecting an audio decoder to an existing building PA, to adding new paging stations, background music, or SIP telephone support. Integrating the public address system to a SIP phone system and combining it with a background music solution delivers more combined value than each of these systems can offer on their own. For example, a security guard using his mobile SIP phone to make an emergency announcement is a huge, potentially life-saving benefit. Using Barix PA solutions, messages can be easily delivered to specific combinations of receivers, ensuring that each message is delivered to precisely those areas that need it. Barix systems use IP network infrastructure to transport the audio and work seamlessly with existing PA hardware like amplifiers and speakers. Let's step through the system and see how it works. In many environments, there will be background music, either throughout the facility or targeted to specific areas. The music is encoded by a Barix in streamer and put onto the network, where it can be picked up by Barix X streamers and played back in public spaces like the main thoroughfares in a mall. If there is also a SIP telephone system installed, SIP phones can be used to make both general announcements and targeted paging messages to specific zones and locations. This feature is secured by authentication codes. Security personnel can even use mobile SIP phones to make live priority paging announcements while patrolling. The X streamers automatically fade down the background music before relaying the priority message. Live paging and pre-recorded announcements can be made from the reception, administration, or security offices using Barix's free PC application, ICgraph, or by using the Barix PS16 professional paging station. Pre-recorded announcements can also be made using a Barix Annuncicom device loaded with a digital message streamer application. The messages can be remotely updated. A variety of Barix X streamer audio decoders may be used to receive the background music and public address messages. While X streamers such as the 100 model can be used to feed existing PA systems, the Power over Ethernet X streamer P5 model and the 200 and 205 models each have integrated amplifiers, enabling them to be used as individual endpoints in the announcement system and requiring no further infrastructure other than power and speakers. While the X streamers are each playing their selected background music channel, they are also monitoring the paging or priority channel. Any public address or paging message will cause the X streamer to automatically fade out the background music before relaying the priority message, and fade the channel back in again when the announcement is over. Messages can be addressed to individual devices, to devices grouped together in a paging zone, for example, to all hallways or to a specific floor in a building, or to all of the devices in the PA system for a campus-wide broadcast. All of this works over existing IP networks, on LAN, WAN, VPN, or Internet. With an IP-based system, adding new endpoints can be significantly easier than with a traditional hardwired system, and also less expensive as installation costs can be greatly reduced. As this video has shown, delivering audio over IP makes a lot of sense for many kinds of businesses today. Public address and paging systems incorporating Barix technology deliver significant benefits over traditional solutions. Designed for high availability situations, robust, reliable, low-power Barix devices are the ideal choice for professional audio installations, and more than 100,000 are already installed worldwide. Welcome to a new acoustic dimension with Barix.